Hello everyone! This is Pouch the Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I've already showed you how to make Chanel style fringe, which decorates most of these outfits. Today I'm going to show you how to make such waistbands. They are very popular now. This waistband also ends with fringe. I've already showed you a review of such dress, which we made in my fashion house. So you know how this waistband actually looks like. Watch the video if you haven't done it yet. Natalie will help me today. Let's move on to the sewing machine. Have a look at the table. This piece of fabric is 6.5 centimeters wide. The width was determined by the size of these rings. We bought them in a shop with sewing accessories. You can buy different types of rings, or you can do without them. The fringe will be 20 centimeters long. Fold the piece of fabric this way and stitch it. You need to do it to make your future work easier. Stitch the other half the same way. Make waistbands of any length you need. We're making just a tiny one to show you the technique. Next, we need to fold the waistband this way and attach the edges to each other by hands. Make a tight tube and sew it. I remind you that the both edges are already stitched, so it's convenient to work with them. Otherwise, your work would have been much more complicated. We are not making a concealed seam yet, we are just taking the waistband. Make sure that you fold the details really tight. Natalie finished taking. Next, she will sew the edges together with a concealed seam. Watch how Natalie is working. You need to sew the whole waistband this way. Make strong, small stitches. Make sure that the waistband is tight. This is very important. I know that sometimes you look at an item and think that you would never manage to make it. When you see how it actually should be made, you realize that it's not as complicated as it seems. We show you a lot of different sewing techniques for you to be able to make almost anything you want. Have a look at what Natalie is doing. She put the first string on the waistband and now is trying to attach it. We need to do it for it not to move. People were wondering if the rings move. They don't, because we attach the first and the last rings this way. Next, we need to put some more rings here. When I first saw the waistband Natalie made for the dress, I was amazed. Are you going to attach 10 rings here? 6 ones. 6 ones will be enough. Notice that you don't attach the rings which are in the middle, just the first and the last ones. Very nice. When Natalie attaches the last ring, we will show you how to make fringe. Now you know why these rings don't move. Next, we need to make fringe on the end of the waistband. You can make it as long as you want. 5, 10, 15 centimeters long. Use your imagination. You already know so many different useful techniques. Natalie said that 20 cm long fringe looks good. It was her decision to make it that long. I think that 10 centimeters are enough for a tutorial. We're not looking for the easy ways to do something. We prefer to make not fast, but beautiful clothes. This is how the waistband looks like now. Of course, when you make a full-size waistband, it won't look like a tail. Now you know how to make such waistbands, how to attach these decorative rings, and how to make fringe. The waistband looks very beautiful. Have a close look at the waistband. Notice that in the magazines I showed you, the fringe on the waistbands is also long. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We're Irina and Natalie. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.